What if I told you that old family photos sitting in a dusty box or even pictures on your phone could suddenly feel alive again? And no, you don't need complicated editing software or a film degree, because Canva has quietly been getting really good at AI video creation, while most people are completely missing what it can do for storytelling. So today, we're going to take an old-style photo and turn it into a moving memory video using Canva AI. Because some tutorials make you feel like you accidentally signed up for a college course you didn't ask for, but not here. Let's make something fun. Before we jump in, let's quickly talk about why everyone is suddenly talking about AI video. You've probably seen videos online where photos move, scenes are animated, and everything suddenly feels cinematic. Well, Canva has been expanding its AI video and animation tools, making it much easier for beginners to create moving visuals from prompts, images, and even simple effects. And here's the important part. This isn't about replacing creativity, it's about helping regular people create videos faster. So if you're a teacher wanting more engaging lessons, a creator making YouTube videos, someone preserving family memories, or a business owner trying to stand out online, then this is actually pretty exciting. But remember, just because AI can do something doesn't mean it automatically looks good. That's where creativity still matters. So let me show you how to make something that actually feels meaningful. Today we're making a simple moving memory video. Think an old birthday photo, a family keepsake, a school history project, even a storytelling video. And if family memories aren't your thing, don't worry. You can use this exact same process for educational explainers, historical storytelling, kids content, or YouTube videos. Same technique, different purpose. First things first, we need an image. You have two options here. Option 1, a real family photo. If you've got an old photo sitting around, scan it or upload it into Canva. Think old birthday pictures, wedding photos, family vacations, whatever. Option 2, create an image with AI. Want to try something fun? Go to Magic Media and type in something like a warm, nostalgic photograph of a smiling 73-year-old man sitting at a wooden kitchen table with a birthday cake. Cozy lighting, vintage photography style, realistic details, happy expression. Then generate a few versions. Quick tip, don't always choose the first image. Sometimes image 2 or 3 is when the best one happens. Okay, now let's turn this into an actual video. Open a blank video project in Canva. I usually use 16:9. Then drag your image onto the page. Here's a mistake most beginners make. They leave the image there sitting perfectly still. Boring. It feels like a PowerPoint slide, but we want movement, subtle movement.
Here's where the magic happens. Click on your image and go into Animate. You'll see different movement styles. My favorites are Photo Zoom. I also like Pan. It creates natural camera movement. Drift or Rise works beautifully for storytelling videos. Now here's a pro tip. Tiny movement looks expensive. Less is more here. You want viewers to feel the motion, not get motion sickness. You can also adjust the direction and speed if you're using the Pro plan. This is especially helpful for emotional or educational content. Now, let's turn this into a story, and this is where many creators miss a huge opportunity. Don't just animate a photo, give it meaning. Try adding text like, Grandpa's 73rd birthday, or for teachers, imagine stepping back into history. See what we're doing? Same Canva tool, completely different audience. This could become a family keepsake video, a classroom history lesson, a YouTube storytelling channel, or even a local history project. That's the creative side of AI I love. It gives ordinary people tools that used to feel impossible. Now, let's make this feel emotional. Since music adds atmosphere, head over to Canva Audio and search for something soft. Maybe nostalgic piano or soft acoustic music. Keep the audio soft and supportive. You want emotion, not chaos. Now, let me quickly show you how teachers or educational creators could use this exact same technique. Imagine using a historical image, maybe Abraham Lincoln, ancient Egypt, the Titanic, a historical event. Now, if you add subtle movement, text, then narration, wow, suddenly you've gone from here's a picture in a textbook to here's a story students actually want to watch. That's the power of combining creativity with AI.
And if you're sitting there thinking, okay, this is actually kind of cool, this skill can absolutely be useful beyond hobbies too. Think tribute videos, educational explainers, social media storytelling, local business promos, YouTube content creation. There are a lot of creative possibilities here. Now, I want to know, what would you animate first? An old family photo? A YouTube video? An educational project? Let me know in the comments below because I read them all. And if you want more beginner-friendly Canva AI tutorials that actually make sense, make sure you click like, leave a comment, and subscribe, because I'm going to keep exploring creative ways to make Canva and AI work for you.
If you found this useful, hit that like button. It helps a ton. And if you want to get better at making AI videos that actually stand out, I've got another video right here you'll want to watch next.